What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ashley aka Pretty B, and I'm back with another video. Guys, what's up? I know it's been a minute since I have recorded a video, but let me tell you, life, okay? Life, I am back, and I am back with a very informative video for you guys. But anyway guys, like, check in, like, just let me know how you guys have been doing down in the comments below. Definitely missed you guys. Did you guys miss me? I hope so, because I missed you guys. But nevertheless, like I said guys, I'm back. Alright guys, so if you have not hit that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and tap that button for me. And if you would, just go ahead and give this video a like. Thanks in advance. So guys, today's video is sponsored by the Online Makeup Academy. We're going to be talking about makeup and how you can enhance your career as a professional makeup artist. Or if you're like me and you just like to do your makeup for YouTube videos and you like to get cute for Instagram photos, this course might be very beneficial to you as well. So guys, I'm just going to jump right into the video. So the Online Makeup Academy is a school based out of New York, and they offer courses for you to become a certified makeup artist, guys. I'm talking from like magazine editorial makeup to the FX makeup if you're into that, to just your everyday basic makeup for people like me that just want to know how to put it on and go. I mean, the possibilities are endless with the Online Makeup Academy. So they have a variety of different courses that you can choose from. And like I said, I just like to know the basics. I like to know where the concealer goes, where my bronzer goes, where my highlight goes. You know, I want to know how to get into the eye to create a sultry eye. Now, I typically don't wear the crease look. I go for more of the sultry eye. So I kind of like my eyes to be a little bit dark to give that, you know, that sexy vibe, if you get what I'm saying. I am nowhere near a professional makeup artist. However, I get asked on a daily basis, like, how do you apply makeup? And, you know, what do you use? And yada, yada, yada. So with this course, you can get one-on-one training. And when I say one-on-one training, I mean, these are like real people, guys. This is like a real legit course, okay? And you actually get certified at the end. So if you're into makeup and you want to become a professional makeup artist and you want to have that credibility, this is a great course for you to take or even to look into. Like I said, they have a lot of different courses for you to choose from. So yeah, you're literally talking to someone one-on-one. When I first started the course, I got a personalized video with my name being said, so that's how you know that the course is like, it's like real people working with you. So it was like, hey Ashley, thanks for joining the Online Makeup Academy. And I'm like, okay, thank you. What a warm welcome. So they do like personalized videos for each of the students, and I think that's pretty cool. They also have a subscription course that allows you to complete the courses at your own pace. Like, some of the courses are very long, so if you're like me and it takes you like a long time to get through things, it's perfect because like balancing children, you know, homeschool, wife life, you know, you get lost in the sauce sometimes, and it's a good thing that you can kind of complete these courses at your own pace. It's no like set date that you have to finish, if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, that's a good thing. You also get assignments and homework from your mentors, so you're not just out here lost in the sauce. So basically, you get assignments and then you actually get graded for the assignment. So if you don't do well on the assignments, your instructor is going to tell you, because obviously they want you to become the best of the best in the industry. So like, you get graded for your work, and that also helps you progress along the way, helps you like, you know what you're doing wrong, know what you're doing right. It's like, you know, positive critiquing. So they do that as well. Once again, you will become certified when you complete the courses, but you must pass the courses to complete it. So guys, this is kind of like just a college for makeup. Like I said, if you are into makeup at all, like, you should definitely look into this, because you don't realize how many things you're doing wrong. like, I don't want to say it's wrong, but like the techniques make it so much easier. Like you realize like, oh, I could have been doing this the whole time instead of doing this, or I could have been doing XYZ instead of doing ABC, if that makes sense. And it's like, oh, okay, now I'm starting to see like my face starting to look more editorial like I wanted it to, instead of like, you know, just basic everyday makeup. Like I feel like my makeup has evolved over the course of my YouTube channel. Like if I show you, I'll insert a clip of a video and then you can see my makeup now. You can see that I kind of learned how to go in and contour a little bit in the right areas, and I, you know, just learned the technique. So it's always good to enhance your skill, like no matter what you're doing. Like if you're just doing your makeup for work, if you're just doing your makeup to take Instagram photos, YouTube videos, or you just into makeup, it should always look better over time. Now if I go back to my old pictures, y'all be like, girl, first of all, I used to draw my eyebrows on like little lines. I didn't know how to do my eyebrows. My eyeshadow was like chalky and like, ew, I'm not even showing y'all a picture because that's not what this video is about, okay? Back to the online makeup course. They also teach about sanitization, and that's very important when you're dealing with makeup. You want to make sure you know how to sanitize even when you are just doing makeup on yourself. And this is something that I had to learn as well. Like they teach you how to, you know, properly sanitize your tools and your brushes and like just your makeup in general. It's very important because that's what causes breakouts a lot of times. Like when you're just doing your makeup on your own, like all the bacteria and stuff gets in the brushes and you're just using them on your face every day. That's something that I didn't know. But especially when you are doing makeup on other people, it's like obvious that you don't want to carry those face germs and bacteria to the next person. So they teach sanitization, which I think is really important. They break down the face shapes, the eye shapes, nose shapes, chin shapes, lip shapes, all shapes. So they are very in-depth, and they teach you how to work with different face shapes, different eye shapes, different complexions, like all different types of complexions, and it gets you familiar with working on skin other than your own. Now, like I said, I am not a professional makeup artist. I don't intend to be a makeup artist, but I have never worked on any other skin except for mine and like maybe a few friends and sister, whatever, like, you know, somebody needed their makeup done. I know my sister needed her makeup done for prom and homecoming and stuff like that. So I'm used to working with brown skin only. I've never worked on any other skin type. So this course allows you to expand your business by showing you the different skin types and how to work with them, and also oily skin, dry skin, combination skin. It teaches you how to work with all of those different skin types as well. Like I stated earlier, they even go into special effects and bridal. So if you are someone who wants to do bridal makeup, this course is for you as well. So yeah, who doesn't love a gorgeous bride? And I feel like my makeup is kind of bridal-ish. Like I don't really know what category to put my makeup in. That's kind of why I'm enjoying the course, because I just kind of do whatever. Like I don't really have like a look that I'm going for. I do the same look every day. Sometimes I may add lashes, sometimes I may add a little more to my eyeshadow, but most of the time this is it. So with this course, I'm hoping to be able to create more looks and maybe have a little more fun. I'm the type of person where I don't like a lot of makeup. I still like to look like myself. So when I take my makeup off, it's not like, whoa, you look totally different, because I've got my makeup done before. And it's just like, I don't like to see myself like totally transformed. It kind of, you know, I just kind of like to keep it subtle. That's just my preference. I don't like drastic makeup. That's just me. But once again, this course goes over all of it. So I am taking the advanced makeup course, and I'll give you a rundown of everything that course includes. So I'm going to be reading from my phone, all of the notes that I have in my phone, because I didn't want to leave anything out. So here we go. With the advanced makeup course, you will learn advanced professional techniques, including creating looks for editorial, photography, television, film, high fashion, and creative makeup. one-on-one instructions with your professional makeup artist tutors who are directly involved within the industry. There's a strong focus on advanced content creation and portfolio building with this course. We highly encourage our students to use the course assignments to build their professional portfolio. You will receive in-depth knowledge on business branding and marketing. We encourage you to complete your portfolio website and business cards while you are learning. You will receive a certificate of completion showing that you have mastered the Advanced Makeup Artist course. Upon completion, you will register and automatically qualify to receive pro cards from our partners. So guys, that's just a rundown of the course that I am taking, and I am absolutely enjoying it. I'm into all the girly things, you know, makeup, clothes, hair, all of that. So when they reached out to me and asked me to do this video, I was like, oh my God, yes. And they also sent me this really cute gift box, and I'll show you guys what's inside. I got Inglot, and I hope I'm saying this right, Inglot Foundation, Concealer, NYX Matte Finishing Spray. They sent brushes, Beauty Glazed eyeshadow. They sent an Online Makeup Academy Pro Line Blush Palette. So they sent all of these things, and they also sent me a personalized letter. It says, Dear Ashley, welcome to the Online Makeup Academy. We hope you enjoy the course. Stay in touch, Online Makeup Academy team. So they sent this really cute card as well. So guys, if you want to check out the Online Makeup Academy, I will leave the link in the description box below so you guys can check it out. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you like my videos, why not subscribe to my channel? And as always, world peace. Bye, guys.